Welcome students. Today I hope that you have already installed Python in your systems. We will first start with the theory of Python, which is most important. If you are well aware of the theory and the syntax, rules and regulations, do's and don'ts of Python, then it will be very easy for you to do programming in it. So first let's start with the theory part of Python. Best of luck. The first slide which is coming is having Python indentation. In Python there are no curly braces. Curly braces का यूज़ Python में बहुत कम किया जाता है और आप अगर पाइथन सीखना चाहते हैं तो पाइथन में कोई भी कोड ब्लॉक बनाने के लिए इंडेंटेशन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. इंडेंटेशन क्या होता है? आई विल जस्ट लेट यू नो. फर्स्ट लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल वेयर in any other language it is the readability which is required. Indentation is important in Python. It indicates a block of code. जैसे you can see over here, if 5 is greater than 2 colon print 5 is greater than 2, but the second line print is written with a space, so that is called as indentation or indent. Second thing which we are going to see in Python is comments. Python helps you comment which can better explain the code. Comments in Pythons are being preceded by hash. Anything written after hash will be treated as comment. You can insert as many comments as you want. Comments बहुत important होते हैं, especially for the examination purpose, where your copy must speak and your program is self-explanatory. उसमें comments काफ़ी काम आते हैं. It is a highly neglected field in the programming sector, but students who are about to give the exams, उनको comments ज़रूर समझना और पढ़ना चाहिए और उसका यूज़ भी करना चाहिए. For example, if we want a single line comment, हम उसको hash से start कर सकते हैं, which is already being displayed on the screen. Now coming to the second thing, Python also gives you multiline comment, which is called as docstring. इसमें ट्रिपल डबल कोट्स का यूज़ होता है at the beginning and triple double quotes are being used at the end. The example is being shown on the screen. I hope that you are able to catch these examples. That will help you out for the future programming part. One of the major things in Python is that we have to use variables where we used to store data, and this is the first way or the example how we declare a variable with a value. X is equal to 5 means declaration and definition both are being happening at the same time. So when the value of x will be printed, 5 will be printed, and for the value y, which is a string, John will be printed. There are some rules and regulations which we will discuss later.